It truly is a blessing how far Yaqeen has come over the past 5 years. This is a dua come true due to the generosity of Allah than thousands of donors like yourself. And as we see the need for Yaqeen's work in the world, I'm proud of the legacy we're leaving behind for our future ummah, inshaAllah. As we remind ourselves that our life in this world determines our life in the hereafter, we push ourselves to do our very best, to properly educate our youth, to support our imams, to impart beneficial knowledge, to instill conviction in the hearts and minds of our community, to inspire change makers, to foster spirituality in our homes, to spread a true understanding of Allah's message, to deepen our love for the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, to show people how faith is relevant in their everyday lives. Yaqeen's team is trying to accomplish a lot, but none of it is possible without your support. Be a part of this mission to dismantle doubt, nurture conviction, and inspire contribution, so that you too can build that legacy of a sadaqah jariyah for your hereafter. Act for your akhirah, donate to Yaqeen.